Hi there, everybody. If you're seeing me now, you have come to find the answer to the first puzzle that I put before you of how do you play when you take turns removing balls from a box. You start with 20. You can take either 1, 2, or 3, and so can your opponent. You're the first mover. What do you do? Well, the person who moves first in that game is guaranteed to win if they play it correctly. Here's what they should do. You take 3 balls on your first turn. That leaves 17 balls in the box facing your opponent. And then, whenever it's your turn again, you take a number of balls which is equal to 4, minus the number which had been taken by your opponent on his last turn. And you do that in each subsequent turn until the game ends in your favor. That is, when your opponent is forced to remove the last ball from the box. Now, how could your opponent be forced to remove the last ball from the box? Only if there's only 1 ball left in the box. Because remember, he has to take at least 1, can take no more than 3. So how do we assure that there's only 1 ball left in the box? This is what you do. You start out taking 3 balls from the box, that leaves 17. And then you take a number of balls such that the number you take plus the number that the opponent had previously taken adds up to 4. That means when your opponent has a turn to play, the number of balls in the box will be successively 17 after your first play taking 3, 13 after your second play, 9 after your third play, 5 after your fourth play, and then finally only 1, because you're ensuring that what he takes plus what you take adds up to 4. So you descend from 17 to 13 to 9 to 5 to 1. In this way, your opponent is forced to remove the last ball. And if you deviate from the formula that I just described, then you are going to be sure to lose the game if your opponent plays smartly. That I leave as an exercise for you to persuade yourself. If you don't do exactly what I say, take 3 on the first play, and on each subsequent play, take a number of balls, such that what you take plus what he just took adds up to 4. If you don't do that, he'll be able to counter in a way to ensure that you lose. That is the end of the solution for that puzzle.